This is the 1 gallon NEXGADGET humidifier. You have one full humidifier. This is where your steam vent is. Your flow is going to come out at the top. Your power button. You have the light button. And then this right here is your on and off. And you turn it to the desired amount of steam. The bottom. The cord. On the side of the humidifier, you have a place for your essential oil if you want a scent. Just pull it out, put the dot on the pad, and slide it back into place. To use the humidifier, you're going to pull the top off. Underneath, you're going to find the slot where you add the water. Just unscrew it. This is like a filter for the water. Add your water. When you fill it up, make sure you don't fill it up over about this area. You don't want it too full. Place your cap back on. And place it back on the base. Once your water is in, place your cap back on. Now you have the option to turn your light on. Turn your humidifier on. Once the mist starts flowing, you have a great amount coming out of the top. If I take the lid off, you can even really see the mist. I've got it on high at the moment. In the dark, there's how much light will be on if you have the light turned on. If you turn the light off, you just have a small amount of light at the bottom. Enjoy your humidifier.